What's up, guys? Today we will be installing the race base Chester pedals on my 2020 Trek Roscoe 7. As you can see, they come in various colors. They have a cartridge style bearing. They're made of nylon composite, which I kind of like better than some of those metal ones, and they weigh about 360 grams. Let's go ahead and get started.
It's like an arcade game, an arcade game, it won't take a token.
Start by loosening the pedal. I'm using the Park Tool PW-5. Your drive side is lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. The other side is opposite, so just pay attention to that.
Tell us where you're from, what you want to become, and we'll say if you're okay. Where did you go to school? What else are you on?
Oh, and I will also be installing the SRAM crank arm boots. When installing the crank arm boots, make sure the larger hole is facing the pedal so that you can get the threads and the washer in correctly. Anytime you're installing any part that is metal to metal, be sure to use some type of grease. I couldn't find my assembly grease, so I just used what I had, some SRAM butter.
Shut you out, we'll put you in doubt if you think that you're special. We'll tell you who you are, we'll tell you that you're close but no cigar. But I don't wanna hear it.
There's a small thin washer that needs to sit between the crank arm and the pedal. Just make sure that gets behind the boot and seated correctly.
We share or not, I will ignore.
Once on the ground, make sure that you snug it up nice and tight. Make sure not to over tighten, but good and snug. And there you have it. The SRAM crank arm boot and the race face Chester pedals. Hope you all enjoyed. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. More upgrades to come. Thanks for watching. I'm out.